Is this enough light?
What?
Is this enough light for you?
Actually, yes. Of course you're recording it.
I have to record it, man. This is how we do it here.
This is true. Got my nifty,
Yeah, I don't have that sticker. I had the cell phone.
It came with it, though.
I got a cell phone screenshot.
Make sure the pulleys are okay, though, on a serious note.
They should be fine. Just hit water, bro. It just slipped off. Hey, probably the power steering pump slipped off bad.
Now, my harmonic balancer's not that great. It wobbles a little bit, so that's probably didn't help also. The accessory goes inside or outside?
Accessory's inside.
Inside, right? Yeah. So I'll take off this. This is the...
So he had a copper plate.
That's expensive as shit.
Are they getting copper plated?
Yeah, it's copper. Copper is valuable, dude.
I wonder if it's like the electromagnetic shit they do, like they like put a positive wire.
That's probably what it is.
They dip it.
It's process, man. It's a fucking process.
That's what they did in my rims where they're gold plated.
Look at my fucking setup. Someone did that. I saw on Instagram today.
What?
They had on gold.
What?
The wheels, the GXP wheels.
Really?
Yeah, it looked nice.
Plated, gold plated.
I don't know if they were plated or painted, but it looked good. It was gold.
Yeah,
It stood out, you know. And you got black, so you could do the gold. Black and gold looks nice.
on my Camaro. That's what it was on my Camaro.
It's like the Grand Prix Tour is black and gold, you know. And it looks good. Black and gold looks good.
No, you saw it. I showed you a picture of my old the Camaro when it was like in pristine condition.
Trying to figure this shit out. So that's for the supercharger. That idler is supercharger. Fucking hell. Okay, cool. This. Yes, he is.
Yeah, we gotta do this is
The experience.
the build breakdown, or what they call that shit now.
Technical difficulty. When you have too much fun. That's what I personally would like to call it. I'm just waiting for that person to be like, "You guys okay?" Yeah, we're okay.
Well, this didn't happen here and not on the side of like the highway like I did.
I don't have your luck. Or bad luck.
Yeah, thanks. That fucking car, number bad luck. I got BCM problems, PCM problems, sensor issues.
Ah, fuck! Ow, everything's so hot. Alright, where is it?
That's the fun part.
What? Oh, wow, the pulley came loose. Okay, cool. That bolt was not tight. Why? Ow, what the fuck? Yeah, this is the fun part.
You may do it?
Do
Give
you
it
want
a
to do
shot?
it? Sure, if you want to give it a shot.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
Okay, alright, man.
Hey, well, you hold the camera.
Alright. I'll be the big boy.
This fucking 3000 belt, such a great innovation GM did here. Yeah. These fucking things suck ass. I'm all confused right now.
I like it. That's nice.
Yeah, had gold in the middle, some on the outside. Don't look like that anymore.
You don't have it around the AC belt pulley.
Yeah, I'm getting there. Just make sure they're all on the right fucking thing.
The hose is really close to it. There you go. I should just carry a 15 in my glove box, should I?
I brought all these tools in case I broke down. For this very fucking reason.
Other way.
Yeah.
To the left.
Here's that one.
There, I'll do this one. Pass the trophy to you. But I am going to zip tie that shit though.
Alright.
Before I do.
Can you grab some zip ties out of my trunk? Just get two of them. There's a little bundle in there.
Before I do this shit, that shit again without it.
That was yours? Going in the garage. Oh shit, what the fuck happened to it? What'd you do? Did you wash it down forever or something?
Florida rain. But yeah, I mean, it had gold in the middle of the frame on the
Oh,
outside.
that's pretty. That's good. That's a nice match.
That's why, I wanted originally to look like that again.
That was good.
Yeah. It was, when I first got the car, people were like,
That was nice. Well, I mean, if you ever blow the transmission, you got a V8 you could drop right in, so I mean...
He has a point. He does have a point.
front wheel drive, 74 Camaro.
I wouldn't say go that far with it, but... Whatever floats your boat.
What LS4? Well,
Yeah, it's the same engine. You just got to change the front end. The front tongue cover. Fire up and let's see it idle.